Hey, what's up, guys? How you all doing? It's Martin from Email Bouncer, and welcome to today's tutorial. So, if you've been looking for a reliable temporary email address generator that you can use to generate unlimited email addresses for verification purposes, then I got you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the best and most reliable platforms that can help you generate unlimited email addresses in over 15 different languages, and this platform is free. You can use it for absolutely $0. So without wasting much time, let's head straight to the business of the day. So first of all, you need to open up a new tab on your browser, and you type in this in the search bar: temp-emails.org. That's it right here, temp-emails.org. That's tempemails.org or temp-emails.org. So this is the interface, and this is what this platform looks like. And like I explained, this platform helps you generate unlimited temporary email addresses in over 15 languages. So you have for Arabic, you have for German, there's English, French, Hindi, Polish, Russian, Spanish, Vietnamese, Turkish, Norwegian, Indonesian, Italian, Hungarian, and Portuguese. And you could also change the display function if you wanted in dark mode or light mode. You just toggle on the switch button right here and it pops up. So right now I'm in dark mode, and if I switch, I'm back to light mode. So here, this is how to generate your temporary email address on this platform. You have to complete the capture challenge first of all, just to verify that you're not a bot, that you are a human. Okay, so challenge completed. Okay, I didn't do that properly. I just have to all the motorcycles. This capture challenge can be quite tricky. Okay, bicycles, motorcycles. I'm sure I'm not the only one who dislikes capture challenges. Okay, fire hydrant, this should be easy. Awesome. So now I can choose to generate a customized disposable email, or I go for the random. So now let me generate a custom disposable email address. I'm going to go for Martin, and I'll select the domain, and I'll click on create. So I have generated my customized temporary disposable email address. And if you want to generate a random disposable email address, you click on new right here. And you also have to complete the capture challenge, very important. And then you click on random here. So it's going to generate a random email ID for us. So now how do we test to see that this platform actually helps with verification? I'm going to be using this website, fzshare.org. It's a free file hosting platform, and you get paid to upload files. You know, once you upload files and share the links to those files, whenever someone downloads the file, you get to earn some money. So I'm going to sign up real quick. I'll click on sign up here. And in the registration page, I just have to provide my name. So I'll say email bouncer, and my email address, I'm going to fetch this right here, and I'll paste here, and I'll specify a password. So I'm going to use this one that was generated from now. I agree to the terms of service, and I'll tick the box, I'm not a robot. I'll have to complete capture again here. Okay, and I think this is all. I click on verify. Awesome, and then I click on sign up. So it's going to prompt me to confirm my email address in the next step. Here you can see verify your email address. Here, verify your email address. So I'll have to log into my temporary mailbox here. Awesome. So you can see the verification email was successfully sent to me. And when I click on this link right here, it's going to redirect me to the confirmation page. So this is how you can create temporary email addresses for verification purposes, and it works for any website, Facebook, Instagram, just you can think of it, even TikTok. So guys, thanks for watching, and I do believe you've gained something valuable from this video. If indeed you've benefited from watching this video, kindly hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you won't miss out whenever we create new videos. Bye for now, and I'll see you in our next tutorial. Bye-bye.